Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this Poinsettia flower in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, I could unlock this flower, and before we check the base value of this flower, I'm going to show you guys how you can get the Poinsettia seed. If you want to get the seed, you can go to the Christmas shop right here and you need to buy the Santa surprise present. Okay, and with this present, you will have chance or possibility to get the poinsettia seed. Okay, you will have 15% possibility. Or actually, you can join the Christmas harvest event and then you will have chance to get the Santa's surprise present. Okay, and then guys, I'm going to go to my garden and show you how the flowers looks like. Okay, this is the poinsettia flower, and yeah, it's beautiful guys. It's pretty. I think it's worth to keep in your garden. And I'm going to check the value of this flower. I'm going to check how much this is worth. Oh, the value is around 50k shackles. And yeah, it's pretty. So I recommend you to keep it in your garden, guys, to add more flowers to your collection. Okay guys, and that's all about the poinsettia flower and Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Christmas update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.